Tell me.
Whatever. Oh.
Do you want to dump it out? Okay, I'm just going to back up a little. There we go.
Okay.
Put it down. Tell me all the animals. Put it down, silly goose. Who's that? What kind of animal?
This tornado here.
What is that? Is that a horse?
No. Yeah.
Giraffe.
Yeah. Reindeers.
Reindeers, let me see. Reindeers, you're right. Good job.
Yep. And it's this.
Lion.
Right.
What does a lion say?
Rah.
Yeah, like a scary lion.
Yeah. Okay.
What's that?
No.
What is it?
This.
Horse?
Nope.
Yeah, that's a horse pumpkin. Yeah, put it down.
And this.
What is it?
Open.
Good job.
And this.
What is it?
And this.
Is that a cow?
Yeah. And this.
What's that?
Sheep.
Sheep. Yeah.
And this.
Monkey.
And this. Duck.
Duck.
And this is this.
You're missing the zebra.
Yeah.
Where is it?
I know.
Our lunch is ready. You want to go eat lunch? You're missing the zebra.
Yeah.
It's okay. We'll find it after lunch, okay? Okay?
This and this and this and this.
Yeah.